Hello and welcome, this is Suman Srinivas, and in this video you're going to learn how to solve HCF kind of problems and what is HCF. And if you are someone interested in preparing for the competitive exams, if mathematics is one of the subjects you are preparing, just consider subscribing this channel, and a lot more content is waiting to come into this channel. And thank you very much for watching this video. So in this video I'm just going to discuss how to find out the HCF of given numbers. So HCF means the highest common factor. Highest common factor is nothing but it's a factor, that means which divides the dividend or multiple. So HCF is you can also say HCF is a highest number which divides the given number. In simple terms, I have set this value, this statement. So I'm just considering an example. 1628. H means highest, C means common, and F means factor. If you haven't watched my previous LCM video, just please go and watch it, and then you'll be able to understand this video about what is the factor, what is multiple, and what are the dividends and coefficient. All the things I have discussed in the previous video. So I'm just dealing with first a factor, then LCM, then common, and then highest factor. What are the factors of 16? 1, 16, 2, 8 is 16, and 4 is 16. So 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 are the factors of 16. Factors nothing but these values will divide the 16 and the remainder will come 0. That is the meaning of a factor. So in the same way, what are the factors of 28? 1, 28, 2, 14 and 4, 7. 4 7s are 28. So these are the factors of a 16 and 28. So in those factors, what are the common? If you observe, 1 is common, 2 is also common, and 4 is also common. After that, we can't able to see, we can't able to witness the common factors. So in the HCF, we are considering the highest. Which of the following is highest? 4, right? So 4. So HCF for 16 and 18 is 4. This is the concept behind how HCF is usually we are using in the following calculations. But in the problem solving, we are dealing with a different kind of thing. The HCF of 36, 56 is dash. If this is a question if you have encountered, we'll follow like a division method. By using division method, we can able to solve, find out the HCF between the two values. So in these two values, figure out which of the following values is a lower one and which one is a bigger one. In the both of these values, the 36 is the lower one, right? So consider 36 first and then divide the remaining value 56, and 36 once 36, the remaining is 20. And now compare these two values. Which one is the smaller, right? This one. So smaller one divides the bigger one, 36, and 21 are 20 and remaining is 16. Now compare these two values. Smaller one divides bigger value, 20, 16 ones are 16, remainder is 4, and compare these two values, and 16 comes over here, 4 4s are 16, then the remainder is 0. Now this is a factor, so HCF is equals to 4. In the same way, we are going to do another example, second one. the HCF of 108, 144, 270 is dash. So we are just first find out HCF between these two, and we are moving ahead to this value. So among these two values, which value is the lower one? 108, right? So 108 divides 144, 108 ones 108, and the remainder over here is 36. And now compare these two values. In how many times 36 can divide 108? It's simply like 3 times. 36 3 is 108, then the remainder is 0. For these two values, the factor is 36. We are checking 36 as if a factor of 270. So that's why I'm just checking 36 with 270. And 36 ergo 5, no 6. We just dealing with 36 times 7, 2, 5, 2. The remainder is 18. Now compare 18 and 36. 18, 36. 18 plus 36. 0. Now the factor is 18. So therefore HCF is equal to 18. In the same way, the HCF of 2 power 4 into 3 cube into 5 square, 2 power 6 into 5 power 4 into 7 square, 11 cube, and 2 into 3 power 6 into 5 power 6, 7 square into 13 power 4 is dash. So here we can observe all these things, all the values is in the prime number. So now we can able to grasp these values. We can directly write it as HCF is equals to, HCF is nothing but least power of common prime. All these are common values, common prime values. So find out which one is the common. 2 is common over here, 2 is common over here, 3 I can see 3 over here, 3 is there, so we are not considering the 3. 5, okay, we are just considering the common factor, and which is having the least power. So the least power of 2 is over here, and least power of 5 is over here, and after that 11 is not repeating and 13 is not repeating, so we are not considering all these values, and 3 is not repeating over here. So 2 into just simply 5 square, that is the HCF. And we don't solve these things because in the exams generally the answer will give you like this only, so we are not just solving these things, and this is up to the problem solving of HCF. Thank you very much for watching this video.